Thank God for making a hell. Thank God for making a place full of fire and greedy ass lives where I'm just like everyone else. Thank God for help. Yeah, I'll admit my mind's a bit dirty. Only go to church if somebody's forced me. Yeah, I confess